Hi, Algebra 2 students. This is Miss Leminski. I hope you had a great weekend. I wanted to take a couple minutes just to give you a preview of the week. Since we're new to all of this, I want to make sure you understand what to expect. This is our Schoology page. You can see at the top I did update the calendar. So this is for Monday, the 14th. But I first of all wanted to make sure that I made you aware. I believe I talked about it with almost all sections that came through, but I might have accidentally forgotten to mention. Looking at last week's calendar, which is no longer up there, you can see that on Friday, I did have your first homework assignment in the green. I need you guys to watch the day 111A video. Okay, and I'll show you where that is in just a second. But I actually need everybody to watch that sometime before your class period tomorrow. So hopefully you had a chance to do that already, but if you didn't, I do need you to take care of that. Because now that we look at this calendar again, just a reminder that you would look at Monday the 14th and you can see that our classwork is 11A or 11 day 1, but that's reinforcing what you watched in the video. Okay, so I need everybody to watch the video and then think about, did you understand it or do you need more help? Now, if you're coming to class, it doesn't matter either way, but if you are a hybrid group B person, I'm going to call group B students with the last names L through Z. Or if you are an EVA student, you are always going to have a choice in your ABA. So if you didn't pay attention, or if you didn't understand the video last night, I need you to then join class live at your time tomorrow to get some reinforcement of that. If you watched the video for 11 day 1 and you totally understood it, then you're just going to jump into the 11 day 1 Pearson assignment that's already up for you whenever you're ready to get started. Make sure if you don't come to class that you submit that Pearson assignment by 3:30 p.m. tomorrow, and that will be your attendance for the day. If you join class, that counts as your attendance, and then you'll still get started on the assignment. Okay, so for that video, I need you to go into this Chapter 1 folder. And then there's a videos folder. And so before your class time tomorrow, I need you to watch this lesson 11 day 1 and take notes. Okay? And then when we go back, you're going to see that Monday night's homework. So after you've finished your class time there, sometime else during the day, then you're going to watch the lesson 11 day 2. Okay? So that's kind of how the class is going to work. You're going to be watching videos as your true homework assignments. So you can see that those are always videos, because the classwork is going to be support of what you're watching in those videos, and we will also have time to work on our individual practice during class. Okay? So that's the big thing for Monday. Tuesday, we'll be looking at the second stuff. Wednesday is an asynchronous day. On your asynchronous day, everybody is going to take this Schoology quiz, so it'll be right here below Chapter 1. It won't be open until, I think it's Wednesday morning at 6 a.m. and it closes at 3:30. So make sure sometime during the school day you click on that and take it. It's only like a 7-question quiz, and it's actually not math related. Instead, it's asking questions about if you understand what's available to you on Schoology and those types of things. Okay, so on that note, office hours are one thing I'll talk about. I just need to highlight that I had to make one change. I originally had said I'd be available Thursday mornings in person, but I realized late last week that I'm going to have some meetings on Thursday mornings, so I switched my mornings the second half of the week till Friday. So Friday in person. Remember, you click on this link if you ever want to join those virtually after school. The in-person ones, I will not be at this link though, so only after school would I be at the link, Monday and Thursday. Okay, so now if you were someone who watches that 11 day 1 video tonight, and you're either an EVA student or someone who is not in school tomorrow, then you need to ask yourself if you understood the material. And if you didn't and want some extra support, you need to join your class period at the beginning of class. I have put the schedule here. So if you're in my 3rd hour and you want to join class live, you would click on the link at 10:20. This is the link that you're going to click to join. Okay, so at 10:20, you would click on that. I'll have it open on my computer. You'll be able to see what I'm doing on my screen and hearing the extra instruction that I'm giving. You'll stay for about 15 minutes or so, and then at that time, you'll sign off and be able to work on your Pearson assignment, but you'll get some extra reinforcement of what you learned in the video. Last but not least, as part of the school quiz or Schoology quiz ABA on Wednesday, I do ask a question about something in the syllabus. So inside course materials, you'll want to go in there and you can see that I have a link to the syllabus. So you'll want to click on that and read through that as part of your assignment for Wednesday so that you can answer some of those questions as well. Otherwise, I think that's pretty much everything you need to know. What you can see is that if you just keep up, you're not really going to have to worry about this bottom thing because it'll be done. But let's say tomorrow you're someone who is distance learning or you're in class and you don't quite finish the Pearson practice. Now, if you're at home and you choose not to come to class, then you must finish your Pearson practice and submit by 3:30. But if you're in class or you join class live for a little while and you don't quite finish that assignment, you can finish it any time tomorrow. But just so you know, those assignments technically are not due until the following Wednesday. So you do have some time to go back and finish those up. Also, by that next Wednesday, if you submitted it once and you didn't like your score, you are welcome to redo any assignment. But it is on Wednesday the 23rd that I will put them in the gradebook. So whatever your score is at that point is the score you'll get in the gradebook. And you'll learn more about how I grade those when you read the syllabus. Okay, I think that's all for me. I hope you had a wonderful weekend, like I said, and I will see you at some point this week. If you're an EVA student and you don't join class live at all, I'm going to check in with you guys hopefully on Wednesday, give you an opportunity to come meet me as well. Thanks so much, and we'll see you soon.